Hey, folks. Well, sorry about the background noise. Uh, Heater's kicked on and it don't seem to be shutting off at all. But it's been a long time waiting. Oh, I think it's shutting down now. I've been waiting for like a half hour. I get tired of waiting. Well, long time waiting. No more making videos with my phone. Because I've been saving my money for a long time. And it's finally here. It actually came yesterday. And after I went to work and I got home last night and I didn't open it. And even though I'm so excited to open it, I was waiting so that I could record the opening of this. Uh, I was so excited. Ah, a lot of research went into this. Oh man. I got bubble wrap. Oh, that's some big heavy duty packing stuff. Got my invoice. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what it may be. From Canon. What did he get from Canon? A little box. And let you guys know one thing. I have never had the latest and greatest of anything. And so for this, I've never had, for its series, it's the best one that's out there. More bubble wrap. Now you're gonna know what it is. A lens. Oh. Because it's the 18 to 55 kit lens. A battery and a charger. Alright, here it is, folks. No more filming with my cell phone. No more borrowing my brother-in-law's T3i. We got the Canon 80D. Man, I'm so excited to get this. I wonder if there's a charge on this. There's absolutely no charge on the battery. While that's charging, go ahead and put my lens on. Man. I'm just so excited. And I have something else here that I bought to go with it. Oh, it's way over there. It also came with the "Please rob me" strap. You know, it says, "Oh, he's got a Canon 80D. Oh, let's rob him." Yeah, I'm not using that strap. Wish they'd leave the logos off. But I live in the ghetto, and people see that and they're gonna be like, "Ooh, he's got a nice camera. We're gonna rob him." Okay, I'm gonna go grab my other strap. I also got a new tripod, but I'm using it right now. Yeah, ProMaster wrist strap. These are nice because it doesn't have a dainty little strap on it. It's got a good piece of cord there. So you don't have to worry about this little string going dink. And of course, they can't make this easy. Oh, you stupid thing. Now, I'm secure. If I drop my camera, dunk, it'll just dangle. So many buttons. Well, there you have it, folks. Just pop bubble wrap. You got the Canon 80D. I got ADD. Got the Canon 80D. And can't wait to show you some pictures and make some videos again. So, remember when you go outside, or, haha, I forgot my little tagline. Careful when you go outside, because you might enjoy it.